I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah, 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 and I'm willing to share them all. I get the rolls from the doubles, like that. That should be a double. Instead of one stroke, instead of da, da, it's da, 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 da. So instead of da, 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 da. And when you do that, you've got room to go put an upstroke in there. So if you do that speed, it's a roll. So and that's straight. And then that's a paradiddle, and then that's a dancehall kind of thing. And then when you mix them up,